Sri Gurubhyo Nama children, welcome to online session. Already in the previous class, I told you how to write the molecular formula for mononuclear complexes, for mononuclear coordination compounds. I have given some examples, we have worked out certain sums. Now we are going to see how to calculate or how to write the molecular formula for binuclear and polynuclear complexes. So far we have studied about the mononuclear complexes. We have written the molecular formula for mononuclear, where there is only one ligand or only one ligand molecule present in the coordination sphere, coordination entity. Now we are going to see binuclear as well as polynuclear complexes, where two or more than two ligands will be in the square bracket in the coordination sphere. So to start with, I am going to deal with the binuclear complexes. The first example, a compound is coming like this: potassium, amine, trichlorido, platinate 2. This is my compound name: potassium, amine, trichlorido, platinate 2. First we have to segregate the counter ion and the species and the coordination sphere or coordination entity. So as soon as you got the compound, you have to segregate the counter ion. You see whether any counter ion is present, as well as you underline the coordination entity or coordination sphere. So here you take now this potassium. So it is a counter ion here, counter ion. Potassium is a counter ion. Already I told about counter ions. Counter ions are ionizable species which is present outside the square bracket. So potassium is a counter ion which is a cation. It is a cation, positively charged. And you take this, underline this. So this is coordination sphere. So first one, I have segregated the counter ion and the coordination sphere. In my compound, potassium is the counter ion. Potassium is a positively charged ion. It is a cation. So it is the, I have underlined the coordination sphere. I have to see what are the ligands present in the coordination sphere. For example, when you talk about platinate, so this is central metal ion. Platinum, central metal ion. When you talk about amine and chlorido, both are ligands. So first I have written the name. I have to segregate the counter ion as well as the coordination sphere. In my compound, the counter ion is potassium. It is a positively charged species, so it is a cation. And I have underlined the coordination entity or coordination sphere. And first you talk about the central metal ion. Here platinum is the central metal ion. So platinum is the central metal ion. And there are two different ligands present in the coordination sphere. One is amine, another one is chlorido. Amine is one ligand and chlorido is another ligand. It is an example for binuclear coordination compound or binuclear complexes. Binuclear, there are two different ligands in the coordination entity or coordination sphere. One is amine, another one is chlorine, and the central metal ion is platinum here. Now we are going to write the molecular formula. And before writing the molecular formula, I have got two different types of ligands in the coordination sphere. I have to arrange the ligands in alphabetical order according to the first letter of the symbol. Write the symbols of the ligands. Choose the first letter and arrange this in alphabetical order. For example, my ligands in the coordination sphere are amine. The first letter of the formula is N for amine. The next one, chlorido. The first letter is Cl. So, the second rule is, that is the second rule. Already we have seen many rules. So, we have to list the ligands in alphabetical order. So, here when you are arranging the ligands in alphabetical order, you have to see you have to choose the first letter of the symbol and arrange it in alphabetical form. So, here I will write the counter ion first. Potassium is my counter ion. So, that should be written outside the square bracket. I don't know how many potassium ions are present. The charge of the potassium is positive. Charge of the potassium is positive. I don't know how many potassium atoms are present. So, I am taking it as X. X atoms of potassium with positive charge. Then, you start with the square bracket. Already I told about the central metal ion. It is platinum. And if you arrange the ligands in alphabetical order based on the first symbol of the formula, so C is starting here first followed by N. C will be coming in alphabetical order first followed by N. So, in the name it was clearly given trichlorido. Trichlorido. There are 3 chlorine atoms. Trichlorido. Okay. Amine. NH3. Close the square bracket. So, outside the square bracket, I got potassium. Potassium is a positively charged ion, cation. So, the charge is plus. I don't know how many potassium atoms are present. I am indicating it as X. Inside the square bracket, I got the central metal ion, platinum. There are 2 different ligands. One is chlorine, another one is ammonia. When you write the formula, symbols of these ligands, the first letter we have to take. So, C will be coming first, followed by N. So, PT, Cl3, NH3. I don't know the charge of this coordination entity. I am considering it as X. As I don't know the charge of the coordination entity, I am considering it as X. So, how can we calculate X? Already we have seen X is equal to, that is, charge of the coordination entity X can be calculated by summing up sum of the charges of the central metal ion and ligands. We are going to calculate now. X is equal to already we have seen platinum oxidation state, we have seen in the name platinate 2. So, oxidation state is 2 plus 3 chlorine atoms are there, 3 into minus 1 plus for ammonia it is 0. It is a neutral ligand, so it is 0. Now, calculate it. X is equal to 2 minus 3, X is equal to minus 1. So, here we are going to say, write the complex now, PT, Cl3, NH3. So, close the square bracket and it has got minus 1 charge. And if it is minus 1, for example, I have taken K plus. I don't know how many atoms of potassium. if there is a single negative charge, if x is equal to 1 here shows single negative charge, there should be single positive charge. So it should be like this. So finally, the molecular formula is K platinum trichlorido So this is the formula of my complex, which is a binuclear complex. So far we have seen mononuclear, and now I have given example for binuclear complex. Then we are going to talk about the polynuclear complexes, where many ligands will be there in the square bracket. We are going to see in the next class.